Hey Lori, so I'm going to my MMPS folder to Carl to show you if you have two playaways and they have swapped titles in the system. So, hmm, so when you look up the barcode of one, it has the title of the other and vice versa. So the two are kind of mismatched. This would be the best way to fix that problem rather than, and if you can find those, this is better than doing the add to library and sending it to library services. This is something you will be able to fix yourself. Again, you log in with your first and middle initial, last name, and clerk password. And then you click the three dots for additional menu items. Click item and scan the barcode here. Let's see if I remember what this was. 100,17966 I think was the barcode I had tried. Yes. Okay, so this is a playaway. And say this title is not supposed to be with that barcode. It has a different title. But you also have this title with a different barcode. So what you're going to do, and it's going to take a while to load, I'm going to X out this not responding and not worry about it because I know that it does that every time. It just is very slow to load this items page when you pull up a playaway. It takes a while to load the picture and then the items below. So then you scroll down, and the top one should be the one that we're referring to, the McMurray middle playaway. And so this barcode is incorrect. And you know what the correct barcode is because you have this title with a different barcode. Now if that happens, you can click this arrow and change the barcode here. So then put the correct barcode that is actually with the title that is on here. And that will fix your mixed up playaway issue. But you will have to find whatever barcode you scan, whatever title shows up, then go to the shelf and find that title. And then you can correct the barcode down here that goes with that particular title. Let me know if this does not make sense. Get back to me, please. But I think this will solve the playaway problem, and this will be your playaway project.